Installing a plugin in Jenkins is a straightforward process that can be done through the Jenkins web interface. Here are the steps to install a plugin in Jenkins. 1. Log into your Jenkins instance as an administrator. 2. Click on the Jenkins link in the top left corner of the screen to go to the Jenkins dashboard. 3. Click on Manage Jenkins in the left-hand menu. 4. Click on Manage Plugins to go to the Jenkins Plugin Manager. 5. Click on the Available tab to see a list of plugins that are available for installation. 6. Use the search box to find the plugin you want to install, or browse the list of plugins to find it. 7. Check the box next to the plugin you want to install. 8. Click on the Install Without Restart button to install the plugin. 9. Wait for the plugin installation process to complete. 10. Once the installation is complete, you will be taken back to the Plugin Manager screen. If the plugin requires a restart of Jenkins, a message will be displayed at the top of the screen, and you will need to restart Jenkins to complete the installation. That's it. The plugin is now installed and ready to use in your Jenkins instance. You can configure the plugin by going to the Configure System or Configure Global Security pages in the Jenkins web interface, depending on the plugin.